In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Coursera subscription. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure you understand each step so you can smoothly navigate through the cancellation without any hiccups. Let's dive right in. First, start by logging into your Coursera account. Once you're securely logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, the central hub for all your courses and activities. Now, take a look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Click on it. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled My Purchases. You're now in the Purchases section of your Coursera account, where you'll find all your transaction details neatly organized. What you're looking for here is the Subscription tab. Click on this tab to proceed. In this section, you'll be able to view all the courses you are currently enrolled in under your subscription. Next, you'll see an option that says Cancel Subscription. This is the key step in the process. Click on that, and a prompt will immediately appear on your screen. It will ask you to confirm your decision by choosing Yes, Cancel Subscription, or to reconsider by selecting No, Keep Subscription. It's important to assess your choice carefully here. If you're looking to save money or take a break, canceling might be the way to go. On the other hand, if you're eager to continue learning and utilizing Coursera's broad range of courses, you might choose to keep your subscription. After you've made your choice and confirmed it, that's all there is to it. You've successfully managed your Coursera subscription according to your preferences. Remember that canceling your subscription won't remove your access immediately. You'll still have access to your enrolled courses until the end of the current billing period. This way, you won't miss out on the remaining time you've already paid for. If any questions arise during the process, Coursera's Help Center is a great resource. They provide extensive support and can answer any queries that might come up as you manage your account. So, don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance. And there you have it. Canceling a Coursera subscription is an uncomplicated process when you know the exact steps to follow. Whether you're taking a short break or deciding to explore other learning platforms, you've now learned how to manage your subscription effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.